Hello friends, ready to cancel your OnlyFans subscription? Whether you're cutting costs or moving on from a creator, I'll walk you through unsubscribing on any device plus tips to avoid charges. So you need to open up OnlyFans just like I did on a browser. No official app exists, so avoid unofficial APKs. Log in with your email and password, click your profile icon top right and select following or subscriptions to see all active creators. Use the search bar to find the creator you want to unsubscribe from. Says fanspicy.com. So in my case, as you can see, I'm on a website already. So I can just subscribe to this creator right here. So just press on subscribe. As you can see, I will need to have my payments method ready as well. Of course, I don't have one. I don't use this service, nor am I planning to. But in general, guys, you just need to have a basically your card tied to your account. After that, you just basically go into your creators collection or subscriptions, as you can see right here. Go to subscriptions, and in here you will have all of your creators that you're following, and you can unsubscribe. As you can see, you can add a card right over here. As you can see, just add a payment method. Also, you have collections. So guys, on the creator's profile, click the subscribe or auto-renew button. A pop-up appears and toggle off auto-renew or select unsubscribe to stop future charges. You'll keep access until your billing cycle ends, but messaging may stop depending on creator settings. I forgot to check this once and got charged. Review carefully. To prevent accidental resubscriptions, go to More, your cards on the sidebar, and click the 3 dots by your card. After that, select Delete Card per medium.com. If you want to delete your account entirely, go to Settings, Delete Account, but note it's permanent. And that's pretty much it. Check your email for cancellation and monitor your bank statement. If issues arise, you can email support onlyfans.com. And also pro tip, set calendar reminders to review subscriptions monthly. If you have any questions, share below, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.